Happy 4th of July. This house, well, this apartment is a mess. I haven't cleaned all week. So I thought I would get up and clean this morning for the 4th of July. I'm not going to do too much for the 4th of July. But I just thought I'd do a clean with me video. I'm not going to do a whole lot of cleaning because I do kind of disinfect everything like every other day, like spraying down the doors and things of that nature. So I'm not going to go do all that, but I just thought this would be a fun video for the 4th of July. I got plenty of videos coming, including a story time. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. And for all the new people to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment below, and hit that thumbs up. And welcome. Glad to have you. My bed for the longest because my stomach was hurting. Probably not going to do anything. I don't have anybody to do anything with. It's stinking here. I got my Harry Potters on. It really stinking here. It must be that trash. Let me sit it outside till I can take it to the dumpster. Oh, y'all, this trash is stinking. Oh, my goodness, it's stinking. Let me sit this outside. I need to take both of them trashes outside. I'm going to leave this open for a little bit because it stinks. Y'all, this apartment is a mess. I'm talking about a mess, y'all. Look, I got this orangey red. It's more orange than red nail for the 4th of July. Plus, I just was in a red mood for some reason. Yes, I got them short. I'm going to keep them short until all of this is over. Yeah, I was not obedient to my smoothie diet all the way yesterday. I did, it's bleach in this, pure bleach. I used all Mrs. Myers up and then I put bleach in here, but I had a Chick-fil-A salad, like a Cobb salad with grilled chicken, not the fried chicken. Then I made me a yogurt bowl. It was a small one. I did a small one. Usually I do a really big one. This time I did a small yogurt bowl, and I didn't use any nuts. Any nuts on it, and I didn't use as much as honey as I usually do. That was just for a snack, and then for dinner I just drunk my Planet smoothie. My Planet smoothie, high protein smoothie, but I'm not supposed to eat solid foods, only for snacks and for breakfast. So, and I use that as a breakfast because I had a nail appointment and I just didn't feel like getting up. I really didn't feel like getting up to make me no breakfast yesterday. So, y'all, I just went ahead and did that. I'm just washing these dishes right now. But everybody, you know, all co-workers and stuff are like, girl, like my boss was like, I didn't even recognize you. Because, you know, I don't see my boss in person anymore. Unless she dropped by for a hot second or whatever. But, so, when I seen her over a video chat, I had a video chat with a doctor, like a conference call, and she was on there. It's a really nice looking doctor too, one of them. But anyways, I can't plug up this like, I didn't have this big nose then. Yeah, skinny probably would look good on me. But also, y'all, I live in the South. I live in Georgia at that. There ain't no skinny here. Everybody got some type of meat on them, no matter what color you are. That's just obviously what the men like here. They like thick girls. Cornbread. Head females. Yeah, I use so much bleach, but I was using a lot of bleach before to clean. I feel like your house ain't clean unless you use a lot of bleach. But yeah, I probably won't be doing too much today because I still don't feel my best. My stomach is kind of still bothering me, so I don't feel my best. So I probably won't do too much today. I'm gonna make me some coffee because I'm just in the mood today for some coffee. It's bleach in that. It's not my Mrs. Meyer's. I used all the Mrs. Meyer's, so now I just put some bleach in that. You gotta really clean out your sink with some type of disinfectant because your sink is the nastiest thing in your house. It's not your toilet, it's your sink. It carries so many different bacteria. Make sure you clean the knobs. I clean everything. I got to get out. I gotta go get some water. I got like maybe a cup and a half full of water. So I'm gonna go get me a couple of jugs of water. I need to get some coffee too, but I don't feel like grocery shopping like that today. I was supposed to get up early. Oh, looks so bare. It used to be some chairs right here. They're all gone. Yeah. So it looks so bare. I wanted to order this set of pink chairs from this, I think it's called the World Store or whatever. I don't feel like taking all these shoes back, so we're just gonna make this look good. I'm gonna take these back. Probably I wear these flip-flops a lot. We're gonna take all these back just to be on the go. That's what I do because I don't allow shoes in the house, just make it look good. These are the clothes I wear when I first walk in the door. I put them in the dirty clothes, especially for my job. If I just ran out for a little bit, I sit them right here. I disinfect them with that right there. And I sit them right here. Nobody eats in this kitchen, and it's the first thing when you come in the door. And then I just let them air dry, and then I put them up in the bedroom. I put them back up. So, yeah. Clorox swabs my best friend bought me. But she was able to find them during this pandemic. I don't know how. I never spray any disinfectant or clean near my toothbrush. Speaking of that, I gotta go to the Dollar Tree probably today. Get me a new toothbrush or either Walmart, Target, whatever. Because I gotta get my smoothies. So I'll probably just end up going to Walmart or Target. I need a toilet cleaner and a new toothbrush and some peroxide because I like to brush my teeth with peroxide toothpaste and Listerine. Because, you know, I have real GERD and the acid and stuff from my stomach comes up while I'm sleeping. So it's really harsh on my teeth. So a good way to keep them clean. Like to change my bed on Sundays. Okay, guys, so now I am able. Ooh, I'm holding my camera. I don't have my tripod in here. Able to sit down and relax. I cannot sit down and relax and enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning, although it's like 11 a.m. until my home is clean. I can't do it.